Oh, hello and welcome back. Just be another short one today. It was raining, buddy, the last 2 days, so I didn't get a chance to go for some nice big long bike rides. But we get one nice day today before it starts raining every other day of the week. I might go for a bike ride after work. Spare batteries for the GoPro though, so I'll probably have to come back home first. Probably have the visor down and some bug just smashed straight into my sunnies. Helmet feels like it's pinned back of my head today. Grab some of my hairs. Some guy coming up. I wonder if he'll see me. I'll start. It's a bit gravelly today, not too much. Going left up here. Okay, I think that cow's trying to poop. There's a bit of the roads, buddy. It's very gravelly today. Right, got to watch out around here because these people have both these people have driveways on blind spots. Wow, the river's bloody dead flat today. It's reflective. So still dry as anything. Oh, it's perfect weather for a fucking bike ride at the moment. Oh, someone's actually going bloody nice and slow around that corner for once. But that blast up and around there, because I know I do. I expect everyone else to do the same. They're more than halfway through. If you're still here, if you liked the video, please remember to like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate it. Comment, I'll probably like it and might comment back, who knows. A couple more corners. Lock down for this one because it's a bumpy boy. And then we blast off again. Do a couple of pulls before work. Just let it slip in. Bop, up. Yeah, go. Bro. Work. Well, keep an eye out for kangaroos as well. Should be a good day today. Alright. Well, this is where it ends. The video anyway. Have a good day and such and all that stuff. See yous.